What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money with Clickbank and Quora. What's going on, guys, and welcome to a new video. Like I explained in the introduction, today we're going to be talking about Quora. This was upon request in the AFK forum. I got a few questions about Quora. I'm going to keep this video relatively short, and then what I'll do is in the next few videos I will go a bit more in depth and show you exactly how to do it in more of a watch me build kind of video. So this is more of the theory, and then in the next video I'll show you exactly how to do it. In terms of Quora, it's pretty straightforward. It's basically time heavy rather than you're not going to be using paid traffic unless you're doing like Quora ads or anything like that, which you'll get into in a later video. So what we're going to be doing now is basically we're going to find a product on Clickbank, get our affiliate link. I'll show you guys what I've picked in a minute. And then what we're going to do is we're going to find questions on Quora to answer, and also to talk about, and then obviously start your own like Quora thread as well, and then place your affiliate links there. In terms of direct link and bridge pages, etc., you can direct link on Quora, but I do recommend you to have some kind of bridge page there, or make sure that you hide the link behind a text, which I'll show you guys what I mean in just a second. So first thing I did on Clickbank was look for products. So I was doing a bit of research on Quora ads, etc. On a forum, and the example they used was Red Tea Detox. And basically there was a person who promoted Red Tea Detox, so we used the Clickbank offer, started to promote it on his own website. It wasn't actually related to Quora, but that basically made me look for Red Tea Detox on Clickbank, and I actually found a product that he was talking about, which was interesting. And I noticed that the gravity was 34, which obviously is quite good. For those of you that want to know more the gravity and about what everything means, please check out the video where I basically show, I give you guys like a Clickbank for beginners guide. So if you want to know what everything is and you don't know what it is, then make sure you check out that video. Also, quick plug for the 3-step training. For those of you that haven't done it yet, it is in the AFK forum, Clickbank 3-step training. It's completely free. The AFK forum, if you are not part of it, is also completely free as well. So you don't need to pay any money for that. All you need to do is create the AFK forum account, then create an account with the 3-step training, and then you come into the members area. You can do the free 3-step training from Clickbank, and you basically just get a bit of a better understanding of how Clickbank works, etc. So anyway, back to the video, because that was a bit of a rant. I found this product, and let me just quickly click on it to show you guys what it is. Red Tea Detox is basically like a weight loss method by using red tea. I'm not actually sure what red tea is. I think it's like rooibos tea, which is like an African tea. Let me see what if it actually is. Proven to stop hunger cravings in the tracks. Ever feel ashamed and frustrated by the weight you've gained because your body no longer works the way it used to years ago? Okay, so what does that actually do? Is that it? So it literally just stops hunger cravings. Okay, you can drink this tea to detox your body, just like thousands of our customers have. Okay, sounds good. 5 new. Okay, so what is it actually that they get if they click on this? Is it just the tea? Literally everyone's, you're not your fault, failure. Okay, that's a long form copy for tea. Okay, I don't understand why now, because it's $37. It's not just like a $2 pack of tea. Okay, so $37. The average sale is $21. Is it recurring? Recurring billing. Okay. Let me just quickly see. So is it $37? What, a month? A week? Let me see. Secure checkout. Okay, so it's payment method. So what is actually the recurring billing? I'm not 100% sure. Risk free for 60 days. Unless that is only for discounts. Okay, oh, it's okay, so it's a program. It's not actually the T itself, I think. Okay, anyway, because obviously that's not the point of the video. So in terms of the affiliate page, let me see what they've got to offer. Anything we use. Who wants $1 million cash? Okay, nice little sweepstakes there. Cash in on the biggest money making trends 2019. Okay, not much that we can do. Okay, so basically we've now got this product. I will create a hop link for it, hop link generated, and obviously now people can see that this is, you know, from Clickbank. So I highly recommend that you do either use a bridge page or hide the hop link when answering questions. So what you do, you create a free account on Quora, which I have done. Obviously I do need to optimize it, you know, so people know it's a legit account and not just created 10 seconds ago. And then we just find red tea detox. How good is 2004 present? Let me actually see what it is in. So basically what you can do now is look at questions, which we'll do, and then filter by, let's say, the past day. If there's anything, no, okay, then past week, and if not, past month. There we go. Okay, so in the past month there's been one question about red tea detox. Does the red tea detox help in losing weight? So you click on that, and so this is what I meant with the link. So as you can see here, we can see like the whole URL. We can see the string of code attached to it at the end of it. You know, if you put your hop link here, you know, people can see that it is an affiliate link. So make sure that you basically hide it within the text. So what you can do, obviously it's okay, you know, like some people are just they don't even know what an affiliate link is, etc. They don't even know that that exists, and then, you know, obviously, you know, you're more than welcome to add it in here. But you know, nowadays people aren't stupid. If they see a hop link or an affiliate link, you know, like sort of alarm bells does go off. So what we're going to do, red tea detox, I can see that it's not as relevant as the time that I read the article. So, you know, if I'd actually do this, which we will be doing in the future video, I'll probably choose you know, a product that is a bit more relevant nowadays. In fact, is there a way we can see then the spotlight? I think it is. We can see how popular this still is nowadays. Loading chart, as you can see, look, it's going down. The gravity has slowly gone down over the last 30 days, so it's not as relevant as it used to be. 120 subscribers, gravity is 34. So this product is basically on its way out. But for the sake of this video, because it's an example, I'll just continue with it. So should I do the red tea detox? Now this is a question that someone has asked. I wonder if that's an affiliate link. WordPress, no, it actually isn't. Okay. So yeah, so basically what this person has done is they've hidden the link. If this was an affiliate link, this would be how I would do it, or I'd have like a bridge page that hasn't got like the affiliate link in it. So these people are now asking, you know, drink tea if you enjoy it, it's nice, not a detox. These are people that are answering the question, should I do the red tea detox? And what you can then do is also answer the question or give your insights, give your 2 cents, and then exactly how this person has done it here. Let me see, I think this is an old WordPress, or is it? Let's see what it is. Okay, that's random. So I think this person has created a review, and then for some reason the blog or the link doesn't work. But this is what you do as well. Okay, so you give information, you give value, you answer the question, and then you say click here to learn more, or click here to read more about it, or this is what I found about it, and then you place your affiliate link. Okay, you do that a couple of times, you answer a couple of questions, you go through every single red tea detox in this case. So let me just go back, red tea detox. You go through all of these questions, and you just, like I said, just give a couple of short answers and then refer to your affiliate link. And that is how you basically create all different types of backlinks to that affiliate page, and it's all got your hop link in it, it's all got your affiliate link in it, so red tea detox can track that it's coming from you.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.